Okay, so hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about two important concepts in software test, retesting and regression testing. Like these are commonly confused, right? But they actually serve different purposes. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what each one is, how they are different and when to use them. Okay, so let's start with the what is retesting part. Okay, here I have attached uh differences, like few of the differences. But before that, I just want here to introduce the concept of retesting and regression testing first. Okay, so first is retesting. So retesting means we are testing a specific defect, okay, or bug after it has been fixed. Imagine a developer fixes a login issue. Now we retest that same login functionality to confirm that the fix actually works. In simple words, retesting is done to check whether the original defect is really resolved or not. Some key points are like retesting is planned, okay, retesting is yes planned and done on the same test case that failed earlier. Okay, it means retesting is the concept like, for example, if we got a bug, okay, if we are testing any test case and we found that the actual result is not meeting up with the expected result, or okay, it is not matching up with the expected result, actual result, then it means that it is a defect, right? We will send that defect to programmer or developer, okay, through any defect tracking tool. Let's take an example of Jira, okay. Then when it will came back, so when it will be assigned back to us by the programmer, we will again do the testing of that. It is called as retesting in a simple way, okay. Now let's move to what is regression testing. So students, okay, so regression testing is like uh, when we got the bug got fixed by the developer, okay, it has came back to us, it has been assigned back to us through the Jira tool, okay. We are now doing the retesting of that bug. But what is regression testing? Regression testing is like testing of that defect, of the defected test case along with all of the test cases that we have already tested before. Why? Why we are testing again the previous test cases that have already passed? Because regression testing phenomena says while fixing an issue or while fixing one issue by the developer, other things might unfix. So regression testing is very much needful, okay, or very much useful after the retesting part, okay. Yes, so okay, so this is all the retesting and regression testing, okay. Now let's come to the main differences that I have put it here, just three of them, and it's very simple. The same thing that I told in the theory part, this is the same one. The purpose of retesting is to verify bug fix, right? Regression testing is checking for side effects of changes. That's the all thing that I also told you before only. Like we have to test the all of the test cases that we have already tested before only. Okay. Yes. The scope is like narrow, only failed cases. Yes, and the wide includes unaffected areas too. The same thing, test cases will be included like same as before, the failed one only, okay, and the defected one, that means, and for regression testing may include new plus existing ones, right, that we have already tested before, the one that I told you. So very simple concept, retesting and regression testing. I hope you got it, okay, and very much useful content is this, okay. Most of the time you will address that interviewer gonna ask you this question, okay. So yes, so and like in real projects we use both together to maintain software quality, that's a fact. So that's all for today video, like, right. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, okay, for more software testing concept, to make it easy, like to make it easy, okay. And do you want to make do you want any other like videos right? Just put it down into the comment section. I will make it for you. Okay. And if you have any doubts and anything, if you are like coming around while going on the video, just put the comment into the comment section. Okay. Thank you, student. Thank you very much.